So in this question, we want to know which of the following is not a solution of the inequality 3x minus 5 greater than or equal to 4x minus 3. So we have the answer choices -1, -2, -3, and -5. So again, if you had no clue how to do the algebra, you could just start substituting in, for example, -1 on both sides and see, if the number on the left is greater than or equal to the number on the right. But this is definitely a pretty basic one, so let's actually solve this. Okay, so 3x minus 5 greater than or equal to 4x minus 3. The only thing, again, one thing to remember about inequalities is if you multiply or divide by a negative number, you have to flip the inequality. I don't think we'll have that in this case. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So on the left side, we'll just be left with -5 greater than or equal to, well, 4x minus 3x is going to leave us with positive 1x. Still have the minus 3 hanging out. Again, to solve for x now, I'm just going to add 3 to both sides. So -5 plus 3, that's -2. And I think people sometimes, when you have the x on the right side, not all the time, I've definitely seen some people that kind of get confused when they see it this way. I'm going to flip it around, so I'm going to write x on the left side. Notice that, the little inequality, kind of the pointy part is pointing at the x. So it's still pointing, the pointy part is still pointing at the x. So this inequality and this inequality are definitely the same. So it says our solutions are when x is less than or equal to -2. So there's -2 on a number line. It says we can use numbers smaller than that. Those will work. So, well, it can be less than or equal to -2. -3 would certainly be over there and work. -5 would certainly be over there and also would work. So the solution that doesn't work would be answer choice A. X equals -1 would not be a solution of that inequality.